Hey y'all, it's Katie. Welcome back to From My Vanity and welcome to a long overdue unboxing video. I have the last couple months, I believe if I've tracked it right, I have June and July's boxes here and I have not unboxed them just because life has been so crazy. So I wanted to do a video just sharing with you guys what products I got in those boxes. I know I am very late for the July box, but it's still exciting to me. We're at the end of the month. I'm filming this the last day of the month, but it's still July and I figured at least I could share with you guys what I did get and let you guys know if I'm going to be trying any out, and that way you can look forward to any potential reviews coming up. And Lord willing, next time for August, I'll get my August unboxing video up a whole lot sooner, or more on time I should say, than I did this month. But anyway, let's just go ahead and jump right into it, shall we? I always forget this, but I just want to let you guys know I do get BOXYCHARM sent to me as PR from BOXYCHARM, so I am not I don't sign up, I'm not a subscriber or a customer of theirs, so I just want to let you guys know because I feel like I always forget that. But anyway, the July box was getaway themed for the month. The first thing I see is this Steve Laurant jelly highlighter. Jelly highlighter, interesting. Where's that little card? Let's see. Steve Laurant. I feel like I'm butchering that name. I'm so sorry. This says it retails for $26, so rather pricey, but it is a gel highlighter formula. That's really pretty. Let me know, because this is from June, let me know what you guys think. I need to go watch some June boxes, unboxings and reviews, just to get a feel for what people thought of it, because looking at the color, it looks like something I have a lot of in my collection, so I'm hesitant to open it. And I feel like I'm not a fan of like cream highlighter. I know they don't say it's cream, but jelly makes me think more creamish. So I don't know if I get enough use out of it, but let me know if you use this, if you liked it, if I should try it. This one I'm a little on the fence, but good value if it's a good quality product. $26 getting it in this BOXYCHARM is pretty sweet. Next up we have No Poreblem Prime Essence. This sounds fun. Touch and Soul. I did try their primer. I think it was sent in BOXYCHARM previously. And I thought it was nice. I didn't think it was as amazing as everyone said it was, but it was a decent primer. I don't remember hating it, but I don't think it did much for my oiliness as I had hoped it would. Okay, so let's see. This retails for $23, but ooh, that sounds fun. And I think I will try this just because I'm always someone who wants to try primers. Ooh, this is a fun little bottle. Makes you think of like, I don't know, little syringe thingy. I'm someone who's always searching for that primer that will actually do something out of this world and just like surprise me. So I probably will pull this out and give it a try and just see how I like it. I guess I could put some on the back of my hand. Again, since I'm so late with this, if you do get BOXYCHARM, let me know what you think. If you tried this out and what you thought of it. Ooh, it's like liquid, but it's a bit thicker than like water. It's not watery, but it melts right into your skin. I like that aspect of it. I really like the, no smell to it. I really like the Smashbox, what is it called? Primerizer. Just because it's so thin on my face that if I just don't want to bother too much with my face, if I'm just putting on a light touch of makeup, maybe just some powder, I love putting that on as my primer because it just soaks right in and doesn't leave my face feeling thick. But yeah, that felt really nice. It does say it's a prime essence, so that kind of explains why it's so light and kind of almost not there. It just soaks right in. So hopefully it does really good things for your skin as you're wearing makeup throughout the day. So I am excited to give this one a try. We got something from Tarte. Not surprising. I feel like Tarte is a staple, especially these round little palettes. I totally missed this. I did not watch any unboxings, but this is the, let's see, BU Naturally Eyeshadow Palette. Retails for $36. And it looks like every other one of their little circle palettes like this. The packaging is really pretty, but the inside of it is just very neutral. I will give them credit for putting 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes. Yeah, it looks like 4 mattes and 4 shimmers, so that is nice. That's something that I appreciate because I think I've gotten 2 of these in the past BOXYCHARMs, and they tend to have way more shimmers than matte. So that is nice, but I am not going to use it just because it's not really my vibe. I already have so many palettes in my collection that can do what this palette does, so I'm not going to be trying it out, but from past experience with these kind of circle eyeshadows, they're decent. You have to work a good bit to build it up, but they're really good for beginners, very good for light makeup, and obviously, as you saw from the color selection of this eyeshadow palette, very neutral looks, but I will not be using it because I do not need another light, very neutral looking eyeshadow palette in my collection, so that'll probably go in a future giveaway. I feel so out of breath. I'm trying to get used to filming and being pregnant. It's been a while since I was with Gideon, but I do remember, now that I am recording again, how out of breath I would get when filming with him because I would forget to breathe, and being pregnant, you already have trouble breathing as it is. Anyway, the next product is from Dominique Cosmetics, and this is a Lemonade Lip Gloss. in the shade Peach Tea, retails for $17. I've been wanting to try her products for so long. I've been wanting to try the lemonade palette. I just haven't gotten around to it. But this is exciting. Ooh, it's a very nudie, peachy kind of color. I will try this because since I am, you know, sick with morning sickness and all that, I've been wearing much lighter makeup, and I've noticed that I've been reaching more for glosses than my liquid lipstick just because I have such a light amount of makeup on, and because I don't want to have to worry about it. I don't really want to put on a actual liquid lipstick that I have to upkeep. I just want something very light just to give a shine to my lips, and this definitely looks like it will. Oh, it has a nice smell to it too. I'm excited about this one. Let me know what colors you guys got in your boxes, but I am super excited about this one. I think probably so far the most excited product in here, I guess, or I really am excited for the primer essence, but this also too has me very excited to give it a try. And very last up, let's see, it's Haru Wonder Maqui Berry Antioxidant Mask Trio Pack. I hope I said that right. Probably did not, but this retails for $9, I think, for the trio of them. So it is a sheet mask for $9, which isn't bad, I feel like, for 3 of them. I know you can get them cheaper, but that seems like an okay price. I like the berry aspect of it. I will have to give them a try. Maybe I'll try one and see if it's a big deal enough. If you got this box and already tried them, let me know what you think, if it's worth trying out. It's supposed to correct pigmentation, boost radiance, and deeply hydrate for a brighter, even-toned complexion, which is something I really need right now. My skin has just not been there, just with going through the morning sickness and not really taking care of my skin because I've been so sick. My skin is crying out for help, so maybe this will be good. But anyway, let me know what your thoughts are on these sheet masks if you did get a chance to try it. Okay, so now let's move on to the July box. This is a little more current even though we're at the end of the month. The theme of this box is BOXYCHARM Au Naturel. So very natural products, I'm going to assume. Let me keep this here instead of setting that away. First up that I see is Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Okay, so it is a veggie mask. Let's see, a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. Retails for $35, so a pretty good value, and you get 2.5 fluid ounces, which seems like a good amount. Let's see, you put it on and remove after 10 minutes with a damp, dark cloth. Doesn't say how often. Oh, twice weekly. Okay, so you can do it more often than, you know, like the once a week I feel like is a typical. So it is something you can use more often. I don't think I'm going to use this just because I have so many masks right now. It is a little outrageous and I feel like they're going to go bad before I can get through them. So I feel like I might not. Let me know your experience with this. Again, we're at the end of the month, so I feel like most everyone's going to already have had their box and have been able to try them out. So let me know if you have any kind of first impressions, thoughts on this. But right now I think I am not. I'll pass it along to someone else. Next up, always exciting to me, is a LUXIE Gaea. Oh, I know I am going to butcher that. G-A-E-A. Gaea? They have underneath how to pronounce it, but it's an upside down E, and I don't know what that means. How do you pronounce an upside down E? Interesting. Anyway, a 3-piece brush set. This is to create the perfect look with your new eco-friendly LUXIE brush set. Interesting. Okay. So a 3-piece brush set, more of like a rustic feel to their pink style brushes, which I don't mind. It's supposed to be kind of more natural and eco-friendly. This right here, which is said to be the 510 foundation brush, looks like something I would use to apply my face mask with. So honestly, not something I'm probably going to use to put on my foundation. This 350 is a large eye blending brush. It's a little more densely cut across the top. I like it more fluffier and a little more taper to the sides, but maybe I'll give that a try. And then this last one is a precise crease brush. It's 246. I do like this. This is a type of brush I really like for working under my eyes or in my inner corner just because it's so fine and precise. I think I said precise crease. I meant precision crease. But yeah, there you go. Not super excited about this set just because, like I said, I'm really only excited about this one. I might give this one a try, but I don't need another mask brush, so I feel like I won't get good use out of all 3 brushes, and this retails for $30, which I feel like is a lot for 3 brushes when I only really am excited for 1. Alright, next up we have something from Alamar Cosmetics. I feel like it's been a while. This is the Mother of Pearl Gloss. Retails for $10, and it is a glittery type of lip gloss, looks like to me. Mother of Pearl, it looks almost like a Almost has notes of like a gold green type of iridescent shift to the glitter. Very pretty. The sparkly tube. I am going to wait on this because I don't know if I'm going to open it. I know I did open the Dominique Cosmetic lip gloss, but that was just a shiny finish. I'm not really into glittery, sparkly on my lips. As I said, retails for $10. That is a nice value. I wish it just wasn't glittery. I don't know. Let me know. Did you get this in your box? Did you try it out? Is it really glittery, sparkly, or is it so fine that it just looks shimmery on your lips or just shiny? Let me know, but I'm not going to open this one yet. Next up, we have something from the brand Appeal Gel Liner. I feel like we've gotten something from this, like liners from this brand before. It's in Deep Taupe, and it retails for $21, which is expensive, I feel like. I'm not going to open this. I have a ton of gel liners that I really love and enjoy. I have so many from Smashbox Always On gel liners that are absolutely fantastic, and I feel like I have this color many times over, and I've even had to declutter this color just because I have it so much. So I won't open this. I will put this aside to gift, or gift to someone, put it in a giveaway, something like that. But let me know what you think of this brand, Appeal. I feel like I tried a product and wasn't crazy. Wasn't blown away by them. I don't remember. Okay, and then last up, what I'm most excited for this box was Butter London. They included a Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. This retailed for $32, and I absolutely love Butter London's packaging. I really enjoy Butter London products in general. Their nail polish is really nice, but also their lip glosses. Oh, what else have I tried from them? Their glaze and eyeglosses is one of my all-time favorites. If you want simple sparkle on your eyes, check out those. I have a whole review on my blog. But anyway, I saw sneak peeks for this and I was excited. Here we go. That blue is just so pretty, and I love the inclusion of this green. You guys know my eyes went right to it, but it's just so pretty. But I didn't realize before that there's only 2 mattes, and blue is actually one of the mattes, which is kind of exciting because I feel like that's going to give a lot more, I don't know, interesting looks with the blue, because I feel like a lot of times when companies throw a blue into a palette, it's always a shimmery blue, so you can really, for me at least, only use it on the lid. But a matte blue, that's interesting. I don't know. We shall have to see. It's a more of a dusty, like the whole look of the palette is very earthy, which goes along with the name of it. What was it called? Natural Goddess. So, natural earthy tones. I think that's a decent blue. I built it up twice, but I mean, the first time was not bad. It wasn't super patchy. Let's see this dark brown. Not bad. This brown is a little hard to move on my hand, so I wonder how easy it'll be to blend. But those are the 2 mattes. That's not bad. It's a little concerning that there's no like lighter shade to kind of help you out. You just go from either blue or dark brown. But I'll have to play around and see. Let me see this green, you guys. You guys know I love a good green. And then we'll try this Queen shade. This red one right there. It's not really red. It's kind of like a peachy. This green is pretty. The green is definitely just makes me think of more of a sheer wash of color than any kind of sparkly green that will pack a punch. But that pearly, or this Queen color right here is much more of a peachy color. It's not such a deep color, but definitely gives a shine to it. Like, look at the shine from this shade compared to the green. The green is much more subtle and subdued. So I am excited to give this a try, and I absolutely love their packaging and how sleek they are. Like, it doesn't take up a whole lot of space. Okay, so there you have it. Those are everything in my 2 boxes. Something else I'm gonna have to get used to filming not with natural light is having a ring light. And being pregnant, oh my gosh, I'm like dripping in sweat within a minute of starting filming. But anyway, hopefully I'll adjust to it. I thankfully was able to find my usual filming card that I use, my SD card, so I haven't had to stop every 2 minutes and restart the camera, so I'm very thankful for that. But anyway, yeah, I'm so excited to be back. I'm so excited I was able to film this and get this up for you. But thank you guys so much for all the warm wishes you guys gave me in my coming back video. Yeah, those are the 2 boxes that I was never able to show you guys the contents of that I got sent to my new address here. So I'm excited to get back into the role of doing my BOXYCHARM reviews and unboxings. I really do miss those videos, and I have missed getting to unbox them with you. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. As I said, let me know what products that you have tried from either of the 2 boxes, what you recommend me try, and I will definitely try some of them. Not going to try all of them, but you'll just have to stay tuned to see what I actually end up trying and if I like it or not. But very excited for a handful of the products. I feel like there was a couple products in each box that had me really excited, which is always the sweet part of a subscription box. But yeah, with all that said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.